Maisie, look, I found a shiny key under the bush. Do you think it's for treasure?
Let's see. It's pretty old. Maybe it opens something nearby.
What if it's a secret door to another world? Oh, let's hurry. Wow, Maisie, look at all this. Tiny houses, glowing flowers, and are those tiny people waving at us?
This is unbelievable, Minnie.
It's so magical. I love it here already.
Welcome, Minnie and Maisie. We've been expecting you.
Expecting us? How do you know our names?
The golden key chose you. Only true adventurers can find it.
Maisie, look, a candy cane bridge, and the river is sparkling.
This feels like a dream, Minnie. Let's follow the glitter trail. It must lead to the gem.
Do you think we'll see more magical creatures? Maybe a unicorn or a dragon?
A giant tree with a carved face talking to Minnie and Maisie. Minnie looking curious and Maisie thinking deeply. The forest glowing softly. Minnie and Maisie in a sparkling cave filled with colorful crystals and a mischievous pixie holding the rainbow gem. Minnie is talking to the pixie. Here it is, the rainbow gem. Let's put it on the pedestal.
Look at the colors. It's like a rainbow explosion.
Hooray, you've saved our kingdom.
Do we really have to go, Maisie? I'll miss Mr. Whiskers and everyone here.
We'll always remember this adventure, Minnie. And maybe someday we can come back.
Okay, I'll hide it in my treasure box.
Good idea, Minnie.